Welcome to this video project report on building a simple DIY hidden camera detector. Surveillance cameras are increasingly common in public and semi-public spaces. This video introduces a simple device to help you detect hidden cameras by reflecting light off their sensors. To build this detector, you will need a flashlight, some red vinyl plastic, a toilet paper roll, scissors, and tape. For the first step, cut 2 pieces of red vinyl plastic. One piece should be cut to match the size of your flashlight lens. Next, cut the second piece of vinyl plastic so that it is about 1 inch larger than the opening of your toilet paper roll. Now disassemble the flashlight lens, attach the smaller plastic piece, and reassemble it. Then create slits on the edge of the larger piece and the toilet roll to begin assembly. Continue by taping the larger vinyl piece to the toilet roll and securing the tube to your flashlight to complete the device. To use it, look through the tube while the flashlight shines on potential areas. Any hidden camera lens will reflect the light, revealing its location. This video illustrates the assembly process for creating your own handheld detector. The principle behind this device is simple. It uses reflected light from a focused optical system to reveal the position of a hidden camera. In operation, the detector illuminates the environment. If a hidden camera is present, the light reflects back to the user, making the camera easier to spot. In conclusion, this project is an easy, affordable way to create your own hidden camera detector at home for personal use. Thank you for watching this guide on building your own hidden camera detector.